Okay, what's going on?
Please, my son. What is it? South Neptune.
On South Neptune in Mesa?
Oh no, it's Neptune. It's in Eastmark. My son is drunk and he has a gun and he's threatening to kill my daughter-in-law. Hello? I need help.
What's going on?
My husband's intoxicated and he has a gun. Can you please send someone to on South Neptune?
Okay. On South Neptune in Mesa?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I need help. Please, hurry, please.
Okay, stay on the line. This is your husband?
Yes, and he's intoxicated.
What kind of gun is it?
It's an AR-15. Please,
Is he threatening you or is he threatening himself?
He's threatening both.
Okay.
Please help. I don't want anything to happen, Dad.
Okay.
God,
What's your name?
please don't. Please hurry, please hurry.
Stay on the line with me. I'm not going to hang up. I don't want you to hang up on me, okay? I've got officers headed that way.
How much will they?
It's just drive time. They're coming there as fast and as safe as they can. Who's inside the
Please
home?
don't hurt him. Oh, my daughter's sleeping. It's me.
How old is
Please don't hurt
your
him.
daughter?
She's 2.
And the officer?
Stop! Stop! Oh my God! Please hurry, Dominic! Do not shoot me.
Okay.
I am pulling out your child.
Who is this?
Dominic, this is Kimber. What's going on?
Well, a lot, actually.
Well, talk to me.
Well, I got an AR-15 in my hands.
I understand that. Dominic, I want you to listen to me for one moment, okay?
No, do you not?
That's okay.
You listen to me.
I absolutely will listen to you, but I don't want you to make any decisions that you'll regret. Okay?
Okay, well, I got a fully AR-15
understand that.
in my hands. I'm not willing to hurt anybody. I'm going to put my gun down.
Okay. I appreciate
Okay?
it. Okay, you let me know when it's down and just keep talking to me. Hey, Dominic, are you okay right now?
No, I'm not okay.
Okay, I want you to take a deep breath.
I'm mentally ill.
Okay. I want you to take a deep breath. I want to help you. Will you let me help you?
I'm so sorry, though. But I'm mentally ill.
Okay.
Shoot me. Shoot me.
Dominic, I don't want that to happen and you don't want that to happen. So let's work together so it's not the outcome, okay?
Is that a gunshot? That was a gunshot. Go. There he is. He's got a gun. He had a rifle in the front room.
Somebody's in the house. I won't shoot.
Okay, nothing's in your hands, right?
Who's in the house?
Who's in your house?
I will shoot.
Who is in your house? Okay,
Who the fuck is in the house?
Dominic, I don't know who's in your house right now. I have officers on the outside waiting for you.
I will shoot.
Okay, if you're going to shoot, you know that's not going to have the outcome that you and I just talked about.
Yeah, that was me. That was me.
72-998. Did you see him?
Yeah, I saw him right there in the living room.
Did he go down?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Give up.
Okay, we're going to get some help to you. You hang in there. I want you to stay strong, Dominic.
My gun, I pushed it to the door. I give up. I don't want to get shot.
Okay.
I don't want to get hurt.
Dominic, I'm going to get some help to you.
Ugh.
Stay with me.
I don't want to get shot. Please don't have him shoot at me. Please.
Let him help you.
Please, I give up. I give up.
Walk backwards to the sound of my voice, slow.
He's drunk as fuck.
That's fine. Put your hands out to your side like an airplane. Stay in that position. Give me one more hand. All right, ready? Stay there.
I got it. I got him covered. I've got him covered.
Ready? Yes. Go. Do not move. Keep your hands where we can see them. Right your head.
Bob, they're getting him now.